Have you ever said things like, I don't know what to do at networking events. I need some business networking ideas. I need to do something other than cold calling. I hate working with cold leads. I need some business networking training. Well, in this video, I'm going to cover that and a whole lot more. Wait, one more thing. This is video number 4 in a 5-part series, so make sure you watch all the videos. Here we go. I want you to understand, professional networkers do not look for clients. Salespeople look for clients. Marketers look for clients. I never look for clients, ever. In that elevator speech, she said a perfect client for me is if you hear a friend or family member say any of the following.
So if you hear a friend, family member, or client say, man, I'm sick of tenants, toilets, and termites. I have an old 401k IRA, and the only way it goes up is when I put money into it. I need to diversify my portfolio, or I need to do a 1031 exchange. So those would be excellent referrals for me.
What we're doing is we're firing the reticular activating system, and we can do that and get people's heads to go up and down like that because we're firing something that's in the brainstem. Again, I don't have time to teach that. At the end, I can give you a YouTube link, and you can watch me teach it to you on YouTube. Okay? What she did is she educated you on what you do, and then she had you listen for quotes. So when you leave, if you ever hear somebody say those things, her face is going to pop in your mind. That's, in my opinion, what you should be doing in networking groups, whether it's BNI, LaTip, here, whatever networking group is, including Chamber of Commerce events. I would never, under any circumstance, recruit or sell to the person I'm talking to, because if they're not interested in what you want, if they don't want to buy what you're selling, their mind says no. So when you walk up to somebody and you pitch them, you're going to get a yes or a no. You will never get a referral because all they're trying to do is figure out how to get out of the conversation. If you go up to somebody and you go, hey, if you ever hear anybody say, hear a friend or family member say, I'm looking to buy or sell my home in the next 6 months, think of me. And then somebody will go, you know what, I want to talk to you. But if you go up to that same person and go, are you looking to buy or sell a home in the next 6 months? No! Right? Hey, thanks for watching this far. If you're getting something out of the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Back to the video. Because if you pitch the person directly, you get a yes or no. You will never get referrals from that. The day you turn the pitch fest off and you go up to every person and you say, if you hear somebody say, my back's bothering me, I don't have any clue how I'm going to ever retire. We just thought of a chiropractor and a financial advisor, did we not? I programmed all of your minds with that. I can do it for every industry in the room very easily. You need to figure out what your quotes are and get them out to people and stop pitching everybody you meet. Okay, one of the biggest advantages of being highly networked is you spend more time serving your clients, because let's face it, nobody's making any money sitting in here right now. I run networking groups for a living. I know. People go, it's an hour and a half of my time. Well, down the road, we can qualify and justify by how many referrals we got from it. But especially attorneys give me the hardest time. Well, I charge $350 an hour. Yeah, but if you make $100 grand a year for my groups, I don't care about your $350 an hour. But people still want to cost justify the time. We want to try to build a network because it's leverage. So if we cold call and we bring in the phones, it's one call for one piece of activity. If I'm a chiropractor and I meet a personal fitness coach, I could get 30 clients from that. If I'm a real estate agent, I meet a mortgage lender, human resources consultant, I could get 30 clients from that. One meeting equals 30. People that door knock and premise, all that kind of stuff, one door knock, maybe you gotta do 50 door knocks to make one sale. I'll make one door knock and make 50 sales. That's why the income is so high, because I use leverage. I network and I dig into other people's networks using the law of reciprocity, which we don't have time to cover all of that stuff. An honor to be here. Is that good? It's the best I can do. Thank you. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Again, please like and subscribe. Any comments you want to put down below, it really helps the channel. Thank you very much for watching. There should be 2 more videos right here for you to watch. Keep networking.